Natural gas can only be consumed for 50 years. Coal can only be consumed for 100 years. In 2020, many mineral resources, including copper, aluminum, tin and zinc, will be mined completely. Maybe you think that is alarmism, while energy depletion and environmental pollution is indeed threatening our life. Air conditioner, especially the central air conditioner, takes over 30% of building energy consumption. Therefore, there's no time to delay for solving the problem of energy consumption. GREE, as the leader of central air conditioner, developed the first photovoltaic direct-driven inverter centrifugal chiller in the world by relying on the core idea of self-dependent innovation, which solved the problem of energy consumption of central air conditioner. From the first centrifugal chiller with proprietary intellectual property rights in Chinese home appliances industry in 2005 to the photovoltaic direct-driven inverter centrifugal chiller in 2013, GREE's persistence in self-developed innovation has never been changed. On December 21, 2013, the grand launching seminar for technology was held at GREE Electric Appliances at Zhuhai. Photovoltaic direct-driven inverter centrifugal chiller system was appraised as world-leading by the expert team. Zhang Chaohui, the Secretary General of CRAA, expressed that this system not only decreased the expenditure of users, but also realized energy conservation and emission reduction. GREE R&D team finally realized the innovation of 5 core technologies through research and test. The utilization ratio of PV power is up to 99%. Efficiency improved by 6% to 8%, compared with traditional PV power generation in centrifugal chiller mode. Ternary commutation model among first created PV power generation system, load of centrifugal chiller, and public power line. Power can flow and transform freely, and the switchover time between power generation and power consumption is less than 10 milliseconds. 5 intelligent operation modes can be realized. It indicates the mode when unit draws power from power line instead of the PV system. In this mode, PV system doesn't work and the unit is equal to a common high-efficiency inverter centrifugal chiller. It indicates the mode when unit is not working and the PV system is supplying all its power to the power line. In this mode, unit will function as a converter and system is equal to a PV power station. It indicates the mode when all the power generated by the PV system is used for unit's operation. In this mode, power generated by the PV system is equal to the power consumed by the air conditioning equipment. It indicates the mode when power generated by the PV system is more than the power consumed by the air conditioning equipment. In this mode, some of the power supplied by the PV system is used for the unit's operation, while the excess power is supplied to the power line. It indicates the mode when power generated by the PV system is less than the power consumed by the air conditioning equipment. In this mode, unit needs to draw power from the power line in addition to the PV system. MPPT technology can track and control the real-time PV power generation to its maximum so that PV can be best utilized by the centrifugal chiller. PAWM interleaving control technology can respond to the quick change of PV voltage and the dynamic requirement of the load of centrifugal compressor, which has ensured unit stable operation. This technology can analyze the relationship between solar radiation and PV power generation, and the matching relation between AC load and solar radiation. The system can adjust the operation control strategy automatically to increase the matching degree between power generation and consumption and the PV direct-driven utilization ratio. GREE Photovoltaic Direct-Driven Inverter Centrifugal Chiller has established the leading position in national air conditioning industry, which not only has historical significance for the technology development in HVAC industry, but also has magnificent impact on energy conservation and environment protection. Every year, the power consumption for national commercial air conditioner is equal to 165 billion kilowatts. If adopting GREE Photovoltaic Direct-Driven Inverter Centrifugal Chiller, more than 59 million tons of standard coal can be saved every year, which means 154.44 million tons of CO2, 1.3068 million tons of SO2, 594,000 tons of hydroxide, and 40.39 million tons of dust can be reduced. GREE, the leader of central air conditioner and the firm practitioner for the philosophy of low carbon and green living. GREE, for the clearer sky and greener earth.